My name is Dana Prosser with Headstrong Hats, and welcome to the White Claw edition. If you like this video, please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with DIY tips on how to build your own beer box cowboy hats and visors. And also check me out on my Facebook page, Headstrong Hats. Beer box cowboy hats have been around for a long time, and I've been building mine for about 10 years. And over the last, I would say 2 years, I've really kind of gotten into a niche where I peel the label off the box and relocate it onto poster board. That way I can arrange the logo into a way that I think is more aesthetic and legible. And there's my wife. So anyway, that's what I actually had to do with this White Claw hat, because the boxes are so small and I needed so much space to make the hat. I needed a 16 by 18 inch landscape to make the crown of the hat. And so what I did is I just took 5 variety pack boxes, I peeled the label off, re-adhered it onto a poster board with my template that I have, where I can rearrange the logos to where I think that it looks good. And this is what I came up with. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section as to what I should do differently, because I really don't know what else I could do. I mean, it's almost perfection, right? With the visor, I did not have to peel the label. With the 12-pack variety box, I chose one that had the logo in the middle. I saw some on the shelf that had the logo off to the side and cans were on the other side, but this logo actually had White Claw in the middle with the cans on the side, and that allowed me to line everything up perfectly. Because if it said White Claw on the side, it wasn't going to line up right, and I'm kind of OCD and I couldn't deal with that. But for the visor, I used one variety 12-pack box. It has a label on both sides, on the front and the back, and also one on the bottom. So the front side I use for the band, the other side I use for the brim, and on the bottom I use this. It has the nutritional information. You're not going to see it anyway, but it looks pretty cool because it says White Claw on it. And on the inside I added an EVA foam. I took it under my Singer 1591 sewing machine, which is 1953. It still works pretty good. I made a stitching around the outside, added Velcro to the back. This is a 26-inch diameter hat, and it's adjustable down to about 23 inches. My head is a 23, so about right there, fits perfect. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and if you have any special requests of hats that you want to see me build, please mention it down in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next episode.